always got it planned out. Ain't nobody hand me shit, but always got their hands out. Save a couple bands up and bought the rubber bands out. Hit me with the supercharged, did it just to stand out. Damn, I was just trapping at my man's house, sleeping on my man's couch, sold him till we ran out. Now just listen as I twist my weed. I ain't never met a bitch I need. Got the pink slip, this whip ain't rented. All black with the windows tinted. In the way the bucket seats recline, it can fit at least 4 bitches. In my pocket got a meat roll in it.
Smoke with the charger.
What's good, YouTube? It's Rogan with the Charger. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to the channel. We just got a package in the mail today. You seen the last video where I did my muffler delete. Then you already know what this is. SRT8 front bumper, Grille fog lights, whole conversion kit. So hopefully I can drop this thing off to go get painted today. So my SRT8 bumper that came in, I haven't even opened up the package yet. The package is too big to fit inside of my car. So I'm gonna try to, first we're gonna try to unpackage it and put the bumper alone inside the car and see if that works. If not, then we're gonna have Trav come load it up inside of his truck. So we're about to see what happens. I'm about to open it up and let y'all see what it look like. And then we're gonna see if it fits. So
I just went made a deposit. Can't even fit in my wallet. I never slept, I'm fucking a bitch, and I got a gun in my pocket. My childhood.
this is what the inside of the package look like. So I'm pretty sure this can fit inside of my car. It just looked like the packaging is a little too wide. So let's try this.
Fuck around and hit her with that backhand. Smoke up a Scotty. Pop one, I'm out my body. Can't fall in love with a thotty. Got Tex AKs and shotties. I beam you up like Scotty. Big gun with a laser. Nobody gon' save ya. Trap shit, got 2 phones and I use that bitch like a pager.
Hello.
And we ain't doing no internet beef. Ain't doing no tweaking. Most of my niggas be tweaking. You will be dead by the weekend. I just made a deposit. Can't even fit in my wallet. Bitch, I'm the boss, I'm never on time, but I got a couple of watches.
You chasing bitches that stay on my body. Always gonna go.
Okay, so that worked out. Basically got everything out the box into the car. So that's how we loaded up right now. We better drop this thing off to go get painted. Came with 2 boxes. Auto lamp clamp. Got 2 of those in there. Got the mesh grill in here. I mean, got the black grill in here. Mesh net. But, well, man, when we get to the shop, I'm gonna give y'all another update of how we looking. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage all of this for y'all so y'all can see what it really look like just set up before it actually get on the front of my car. So hopefully this will be the last day. Be looking like this. So this how we looking right now. And y'all see what we got later. Right now I'm gonna drop my bumper off to get painted. Hopefully get that finished today. And we can get this bumper put on there because I want to see how it look, man. So I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this for about 2 weeks now, so I'm real excited about this. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in. Hit the subscribe button right now. Big ol' booty, she know she a cutie. iPhone X, we gon' shoot a movie. It was pretty, I was busting down a cutie. In the trap spot. Here right now. So as y'all see, we got the bumper. Damn, my car is filthy right now too. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my car is dirty. We at Triple S Auto Repair. See what my boy Sam talking about real quick. What's going on, big dog? Sam here?
Yeah, he went to the paint store.
That's your pops?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I remember he was telling me about you. I'm Rover.
All right, it's Sam.
I'm coolin', man. I got this SRT8 bumper I was gonna bring to him to paint.
All right, you just dropping the bumper off for now?
Yeah, well, I wanted to come bring it to get it put on too.
Yeah.
But I know he said he gonna have to paint it and shit first. So.
Yeah. So I ain't about nothing. How you like the car?
I love it, man. I ain't gonna lie.
V6?
Yeah, it's a V6, just an SE.
Look at this. I just got it back 2 days ago.
Oh, this is the one he was talking about y'all was building.
Yeah. This is the old police one. Yeah. Put a new engine in it.
Oh my God, that just sounds good. Pop, let me see. God damn, what this came out of?
It came out of challenge.
Word.
They had it in me in it. It was an old police one, but it needed a new one.
That's dope, bro. How long it took y'all to like put the whole shit together?
I had this car almost a year now.
It was smashed up.
Nah, it was just a bad engine.
Word.
Yeah. I repainted it. I'm supposed to repaint it this weekend. I'm gonna paint the orange. I'm gonna paint orange. They put orange stripes on the side.
You gonna drive it or you gonna sell it?
Probably sell it.
Word.
Yeah.
So if anybody looking for a Charger, what year is this?
This is 2014.
14? How many miles?
Enough. It's a rebuilt engine.
Word.
Yeah.
He said he got the rebuilt engine in there. Y'all looking for a Charger? Y'all see where I'm at? That's fire, bro. Bro built this. He said it was a police cruiser. Oh my God!
Hey! You want a car like?
Oh my God!
Car to get right there.
If y'all see what he just did, it's a Hemi engine in there. That bitch stank. It smell like straight rubber out here.
Where the hell are you guys? There you are. Yeah, bro. He wanted to see it.
Damn, bro.
If that don't sell it, nothing will.
How much you selling it for?
Man, money talks, man.
Bro, somebody gonna come holler at you.
I'm not buffing that out, so forget about it.
That's fire, bro. That's fire. I ain't know he did that. He was telling us about this when we came the other day. So I got the bumper and all that in there too.
Paint it.
It's already black though.
That's probably black primer. That's probably not paint.
Okay.
So pull it out. Let me take a look at it real quick.
So this is what we got right now. Let's see what my bumper look like. No more of this. This about to be a done deal. Even though my baby's sitting kind of pretty. Yo. Yeah, I'm out here right now, bro. He seeing about it now. He just taking out the pack. We ain't even touched the surface. But that Charger? That bitch serious, bro.
You boys belong to the Charger group. I belong to the Corvette group.
Oh, you with the Corvette? I think y'all did a video the other day. You
Some of my boys. said
okay?
that
Yeah, I
wasn't
just
with
seen
them.
that. He said he with the Vet Club. You said you got a Stingray?
Yeah.
What year?
15.
That's crazy. I want to see that.
I got a picture of it in the wall right here. Let me come here. Let me show you real quick.
He said he got the Vet. We was just talking about that the other day too. Like when you get the Vet, you living life.
I don't know about that.
That's the living life car right there. You don't just buy a Vet just to buy one. Oh, that bitch nasty, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I just seen a new Corvette pull up on me. Oh my, guess that's probably the nastiest car I ever seen. I didn't even know what it was when it put up on me in traffic. Y'all see that Stingray? So he the car man. He's the car man.
We do a little something.
When y'all be meeting?
They meet mostly on Saturdays over at S&T.
Saturdays?
S&T's at 1 o'clock.
Y'all do every Saturday?
They do. I don't know. I'll be too busy working.
He said, nah, I don't.
Yeah, the grill here. Fog lights, everything. So we're gonna paint it today. Just have them come by tomorrow and put it all on.
That shit gonna look so crazy.
See with this grill, do you want to paint all this black too? Cause see, let me show you how I did my truck here. See, my grill and bumper and everything used to be chrome, but I painted it all black.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably how you want to go with this. Everything.
All black?
All black. See, this is black, but it's not a true black. It became black like that, but I painted it a true black.
Yeah, I want that, of course. Hell yeah. I want it like that. Yeah. This bitch nasty though. I gotta get this too. Where you bought this splitter from?
It all came as a kit when I bought that.
That's crazy, bro. You be driving this one too?
Not yet. I just.
Oh, you just playing with the cars over here, huh?
A little bit here and there. Yeah.
He said you got the Corvette. He with the Corvette Club. You got the Miro. Yeah, I think that's gonna look nice though. So you're gonna do the bumper right here, this color, and that's not the same that's on there. That
no, it'll be all this. It's gonna be all this color here.
Okay.
Everything gonna be matched. It's the same.
Okay.
Yeah, but see like this in here, that color. So we go all the same color. We can get everything the same color. These are two different colors. You don't know that, but these are two different colors. We're gonna make it all in one color.
How you think it'll look if I do the inside like that dull black like it is?
Well, you just won't paint it. You just pop it in. That's the way it is. I mean, it'll look just like this.
Nah, you can go ahead and paint it.
Okay.
I think it might look better painted. Yeah. He about to paint it for me today, and we're gonna put it on tomorrow.
We'll probably need it for about 2 hours tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
So if you drop it off, say 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, have it back by noon at the latest.
All right.
Have it all assembled and put together.
So, right now, this is what my grill looking like. I'm gonna bring it back tomorrow, like 9 o'clock. So, hopefully this is the last run. And we got this regular V6 bumper on here. We're gonna get her up out of there.
Do a little bit more on it.